Hello, Brian. Thank you for joining us today, and I appreciate you taking some time to tell us a little bit about these really unique projects where you've specified Carbomastic 615 and in some cases Carboguard 690. Please tell us what your position is with Carboline and where you're located in the world.
I am the sales representative for the exports of United States to the Central America and Latin America North. I am currently in Colombia.
Very good. And what made these projects so challenging?
This type of projects are very challenging because the carbon steel pipelines have been in service for some time and are located in corrosive environments with high humidity. The current coating presented shaking failure, exposing the primer. They had a rust forming on them and needed to be protected to stop the corrosion and to prevent future corrosion. The pipelines were in service transporting cold water, and the environment was hot and humid, which causes condensation to form on the steel. The pipelines could not be taken out of service during the coating project, so they needed a coating that could be applied over the damp substrates with active condensation forming.
Yeah, that's very challenging. So I understand, we've got carbon steel, pipelines in service, it's got corrosion, it's got previously coated, so they need to do minimum surface preparation and then come in and try to overcoat. So what kind of summarize, what was the overall goal of the coating system from the engineering and owner's standpoint?
The main goal was that they want to identify a coating system that had to tolerate the active condensation with an excessive amount of water forming on the substrate during the application, flux rust formation, and cure. Plus, it had to provide excellent corrosion protection for long service life.
Yeah, that's very challenging. And what benefits does this coating system provide for the field application contractors?
The benefit is that it can be applied to visibly damp substrate and to substrate with active condensation forming during the application and cure phases. The owner and applicator conclude that it has been the fastest and easiest way to protect this pipeline. They were comfortable applying this coating. They were able to advance more than 10 linear meters per day, almost tripling their previous production.
Yeah, that's really impressive. So what's the key when they're applying the Carbomastic 615 to visibly damp substrates? What do they need to do to make it work correctly?
They need to use the Carbomastic 615 needs to be applied with roll when the condensation is very excessive, not in this case.
Right, I understand. And were there any top coats required for any of these projects?
Yes, we use Carboguard 690. We select as a top coat for some of this project because the owners want a specific color. In several projects, we use green color.
Okay, so Carbomastic 615 and Carboguard 690 can both be applied to damp substrates. And was the Carboguard 690 applied with a roller as well?
Yes, with little thickness, small thickness.
Very good. And how many of these challenging projects did you specify and sell with Carbomastic 615?
We have managed to specify several projects with Carbomastic 615 and 690, painting more than 20,000 square meters of electrical generation pipelines in Central America for Costa Rican Energy Institute and Canal of Panama in Central America, and others in Colombia. They use this product for maintenance in production plants where the humidity is more than 90%, almost 100% with active condensation.
That is really good. So I can see in summary, this coating system solves the challenges that they had. And I appreciate all the good work you've done on this and for sharing your stories with us.
Thank you for your support and invitation. Thank you, guys.